Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Mainstays 3-cube organizer. This is our white finish and it can be found in walmart.com or in the stores. Before you start, you want to check to see that none of your root panels have any damage and they have all of your hardware. If you have any problems, you can refer to this number and we'll get you taken care of. If everything else is in order, then you can begin assembly. For step 1, you're going to need your 2 B panels and 4 D panels. Start by taking your wood dowel pieces and inserting them in to the D panels. You will want to insert them into the middle pre-drilled hole. Okay, after you've done that, you can stand up one of your B panels with the side that has more holes facing towards your D panels. Start by attaching a D panel to this other one, and then using 2 screws, screw it in. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 panels. Next, you want to attach this B panel to the rest of the assembly. After you have screwed in all of the panels, you will want to take 16 of the caps and stick them on to all of the screws on the outside of the unit. For step 2, you're going to need a hammer, your nails, and your back E panel. Flip the unit onto one side, either side. And lay the back panel onto the middle square, and then nail the nails into it. There should be pre-drilled holes on where you should nail the nails into.